Today I am going to deliver lecture on gustatory receptor or the sensation of taste. Myself, Dr. Sabia Khan, Associate Professor, Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan, Government College, Ajmer. So dear students, today I am going to explain you about the sensation of taste. As you know, the journey of life, it is associated with taste, whether it is animals or human being. Then where this taste lies? And you see, in many diseases and injuries of the head and other injury, this taste sense is lost. Taking example of COVID-19, which is a viral disease, the symptom is a loss of taste and smell. So today I will explain you about the taste, the types, the disorder of the gustatory receptors. We have 5 senses, that is the sense of vision, smell, touch, hearing and taste. The tongue, which gives the taste, what it is a piece of muscular flesh and covered in a mucous membrane. Now, in the human eye, our tongue appear dotted with tiny bumps called papilla, and they contain numerous taste buds. Sense of taste are the taste buds which are present on the tongue. Where they are located? The taste buds, they are located on tongue and the hard palate, pharynx, epiglottis, etc. But their number is less. The tongue, it is rough due to numerous papillae. Then there are 4 types of papillae: the filiform, the fungiform, the foliate and the circumvallent. The taste buds, they are present on the papillae all. Then coming to the diagram, here in the diagram you see the different type of papillae. The filiform, that very small white holes you see pores, they are the filiform. Then bigger round, they are fungiform. And the V-shaped, they are the circumvallent. And on the sides you will find these foliate papillae. Due to these papillae only we can feel the taste of this bitterness, sour, sweet, salty and umami. Now in the next diagram, and you can take out your tongue also, and you can see the type of the papillae which are present on the tongue. The very small are the filiform papillae, and the number of taste buds is less here. The second is the fungiform, they are rounded, and here the number of taste buds, they are moderate. They are found on the tip. Then the V shape you see are the circumvallent papillae, and here you can see the maximum number of taste buds, and through this we can feel the taste. On the sides we have foliate papillae. So this is the structure, and you can take out your tongue and you can see also. Now taste buds. Taste buds, as I told you, they are found in the papillae of the tongue mucosa. Then what is the shape of the taste bud? How many, the size. The size of the taste bud, they are 50 to 70 micron, and the number is 10,000 in adult. But in children, the number is much more. As person grows older and in old age, they degenerate. So coming to the diagram of these taste bud, you can see here on the top you see the taste pore, and then you see the different type of cells. So what are taste buds? They are the bundle of taste receptor cells, and they contain the supporting cell, the basal cells. Here you can see there are different type of cells which are present: the supporting cell, the basal cells and the receptor cells. Due to these receptor cells or taste cells, we feel the taste. Then on the top, then you see there is a taste pore, which is by which the food enters here. So this is now function of the taste bud. What is the function of the taste bud? Then the food particles, they contain chemicals, and in the food, in the mouth we have saliva. So when these food particles, they mix with the saliva, then what happens? The receptor proteins which are present there, they give the signals through the microvilli to the taste buds. And in the taste buds, there are different type of cells, and below these cells there are the nerve cells. So these nerve cells, after reacting with the chemical, they become excited and they give the sensation through these nerves to the cerebrum, and the taste is interrupted. So in this way the taste is interrupted. The function of the taste cells, the supporting cells which are present in the taste bud, they separate and insulate the receptor cells, they deal with taste, and the basal cells, they are just like stem cells and they give rise to new cells. So they are helping in regeneration. So different type of cells and their different function. Now these gastrosteatory pathway, it is controlled by central nervous system, and how the information of taste is going, it is going through three nerves, that is the facial nerve, the glossopharyngeal and the vagus, that is the 7th, the 9th and the 10th nerve, and through which we can feel the taste. Now what is the, sometimes there is disorders in the taste. As I told you that due to injury, or due to head injury, or some due to some drugs, or some due to genetic disorders, the sense of taste is lost. So absence of sense of taste is called as agousia. Then this happens in COVID-19 also. Then dysgeusia, when the sense of taste is disturbed, and hypogeusia, where there is diminished sense of taste. So this hypogeusia, this may be due to some chemicals or drugs we are taking, such as the penicillin or the sulfide, etc., due to which it happens. So today I have explained you about the sensation of taste, the papillae, the taste bud, and the gastrosteatory pathway and the disorders and the different type of taste. Hope you have understood. In the next lecture we are going to study another topic. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.